Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick video for you showing the products I like to use to prep my hair for blow drying and styling. So let's get right into it. I started with a microfiber hair turban, took my hair out of that, and then I'm going in with the Design Me Fab Me leave-in conditioner. This is my go-to product and I've talked about it multiple times on my Instagram and my channel, so you guys know I really love it. I like to spray it into my hands and then work it through the mids and the ends of my hair and kind of finger comb my hair that way before I go through and actually detangle everything. The purpose of the leave-in conditioner is to act as a detangler, a heat protectant, all in one. So that's why I really like this product. It does multiple things. I don't have to layer on a million different products and it feels lightweight. I like to work the product through into my hair until I don't feel any more residue on my hands. Next, I'm using the Colorwow Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish. I wanted to see if this would really give some shine to my hair because ever since I've dyed it into this gray blue color, my hair can look kind of dull, and that's not through the fault of my stylist or anything like that, but usually with ashy colors, they're cooler toned, they don't reflect light the same way that slightly more yellow or more golden tones would. So just keep that in mind. So I wanted to see if this could change and add a little bit of shine into my hair. Next, I'm using the wet brush to detangle my hair. This is my go-to. This is a must. The bristles are softer and they pull on the hair less. Now keep in mind it's normal to have a little bit of shedding from your hair, especially if it's been color processed. Last but not least, I'm using the Design Me Power Dry Me Blow Dry Lotion. This product is designed to help speed up your blow dry. Seeing as I have incredibly thick hair, this is pretty much mandatory for me if I don't want to be sitting there blow drying my hair for a million years. It takes me roughly 15 to 20 minutes to blow dry my hair. Because I am curling my hair today, I did take a little bit more time. So as you can see, I timed it. It was 4:35 when I started blow drying, and I believe it took me a little bit more than 20 minutes just to finish blow drying completely. Normally I'd be okay blow drying for 10-15 minutes just to kind of get most of the moisture out of my hair, but seeing as I was gonna immediately style my hair, I wanted it to be 100% dry, so it took me about 20 minutes. I did speed up this footage because I didn't want to be sitting here for a million years just showing you the same footage, but this is basically how I would power dry my hair. This is I don't even really want to say method because there's really no scientific method to it. I'm literally just rough drying my hair to get as much moisture as I can out of it. My hair is straight, so I'm not too concerned about laying the cuticle flat or anything like that. If you do have wavy, curly, any type of hair texture that's not straight, I would highly recommend looking into the Revlon blow drying brush. I do have a previous video of me using that on my channel, and I will link it either below or in the info cards. After most of the moisture has been taken out of my hair, I'm just sectioning off my hair and using a paddle brush to kind of smooth out the hair just a little bit and to get the last little bit of moisture out. Normally I would just kind of forego this step, but because, like I said, I'm going in with a curling iron right after, I do want to make sure that I go through and fully dry everything. Once I finish completely drying my hair, I went to look for my watch so that I could show you what time it was. It was 4:51, so it was just under 20 minutes. After curling my hair, this is what it all looks like. I'm really impressed with the shine and the way that my hair feels really soft. Thanks, and I'll see you later.